Good afternoon, my name's Todd Vandenberg. I'm the National Connect and Collaborate Manager here at Ricoh Australia, and we're at Integrate 2018. I wanted to show you our interactive technology and our partnership with Logitech with their MeetUp camera, where we can provide that all-in-one solution. We can give you basic whiteboarding on our interactive whiteboards where we can add a page, we can take some notes. We can also bring content in so that we can easily access that presentation directly from our display. And what we can also do is we can also use our UCC platform, which is our video as a service platform. We can actually connect via a browser and we can have a video conferencing system all in the one display. Here you can see it says welcome to your meeting room. We can press one button to join, and once we do that we can actually have a video conference from the display. So we can present, we can whiteboard, and we can also video conference. With our partnership with Logitech and Ricoh, if you need any more information go to www.ricoh.com.au and thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of Integrate 2018.